Hi everyone, my name is Kimmery. I'm the president of the Graduate Student Chemistry Society at IUPUI, and today we have a video that myself and a few other graduate students put together that's going to show you a bunch of different experiments you can do at home. So I will go ahead and share my screen with you and get it started.
Starting off, viscosity. What is viscosity? Viscosity is the resistance of fluid to flow. Viscous molecules experience friction due to the molecular interactions between them. But what does this mean? This means that different fluids flow at different speeds when the same force is applied to them. So in our case, gravity. More force is required to move more viscous liquids. Let's try it out. For this experiment, you will need common household items. We've chosen hand sanitizer, corn syrup, vinegar, carbonated water, tap water, and dish soap. Can you rank these liquids from least to most viscous? Let's pretend we're dancing in the street in Barcelona. 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 I guess that is destiny, doing it right, and just like you do in the Mediterranean, spinning you around me again and again. You're like something that God has sent me. I want you, baby, solamente. You and I flying on an aeroplane tonight. We're going somewhere with the sun. And there you have it. The winners are LaCroix as the least viscous, followed by water, hand sanitizer, vinegar, soap, and corn syrup. Our next topic is Newtonian and non-Newtonian fluids. The first experiment is testing fluids. To do this experiment, you will need common household items like water, vinegar, hand sanitizer, and cornstarch. When making this at home, it's important to put enough cornstarch in the bottom of the container that is completely covered, and to add the water just a little bit at a time. This ensures that you have the appropriate consistency. Too much liquid, and the cornstarch solution will be runny. A good cornstarch solution still has some of the solid properties. Water is a perfect example of a Newtonian fluid. Regardless of the pressure changes, the viscosity does not change. Let's try another fluid. Do you think hand sanitizers will be a Newtonian or non-Newtonian fluid? Let's try it out. It looks like it's a Newtonian fluid. Let's try corn syrup. Is this a Newtonian or non-Newtonian fluid? Let's test it out. It looks like it also is a Newtonian fluid. How about dish soap. Is it a Newtonian or non-Newtonian fluid? It's a non-Newtonian fluid. How about LaCroix? Is it a Newtonian or non-Newtonian fluid? It's a Newtonian fluid. How about white vinegar? Is it a Newtonian or non-Newtonian fluid? It also is a Newtonian fluid. Here we have cornstarch. Is cornstarch a Newtonian or non-Newtonian fluid? Non-Newtonian fluid. As you can see, if you slowly and with little force cornstarch, it remains a viscous fluid. But as soon as we apply a force, our next activity is slime.
Hi guys, today we're going to be making slime. What you're going to need is some white glue, some borax, a couple of bowls for mixing, a spoon for mixing, some water, and either food dye or what we'll be using today, which is color changing pigment. And it's a fun fact. What you're going to do is you're going to take about an ounce of glue, you don't really need to measure, just kind of eyeball it a little bit. And some water, about 3 tablespoons of water. And you're going to mix that together. It's not going to mix perfectly, but you can kind of see it starting to come together. And then you're going to add your dye. You'll probably have food coloring at home, so add a few drops of that or however dark you want it to be. Mix that up. Next, you're going to take about 1/4 of a teaspoon of borax. And 2 tablespoons of water. Mix that up a little bit. And then you're going to put it all into your Ziploc bag. This can get a little messy, so be sure you do it in a place where you don't mind getting color everywhere. Next, zip up your bag. Make sure it's good and tight, and start smashing it. After a few minutes, it'll start to come together. Be sure you get it nice and cohesive so you don't make a mess. See how it's starting to form a little bit?
You got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed, you just remember what your old past said.
Come together and take it out of your bag. If you think it's too sticky, go ahead and mush it together a little bit more. There you have it.
So we learned that the viscosity